Assalamualaikum. I'm Medani. Matrix number F1077 from Group 6 Innovative System. So here I want to introduce Putra Block, which is researched by Prof. Emeritus Dato' Abang Abdullah Abang Ali, Prof. Dato' Engineer Dr. Muhammad Saleh Jaafar, Prof. Trika, Prof. Rahina Ibrahim, Dr. Razali Abdul Qadir. So here is the Putra Block. Putra Block consists of three systems, which structure, corner and half. Okay. Here is the dimension of structure, corner and half. As you can see here, it's a modular design. The advantage of Putra Block is no need to hire skilled worker for the installation because it is so easy to install. It is like you can say in real life Lego. Then no formwork needed for the installation. As I said earlier, it's like a Lego. You just you put other block onto another block and it will not move. It is like enough for manual handling, just like a normal block. High strength and good durability. There is a report from a test that show that this Putra block is very good, very hard durability. Self-learning technology. Also, as I said earlier, it's like a Lego. You just put it onto another brick and it will not move. And low capital investment, low risk investment. Here is a wall assembly video. Okay, this is cross connection for cross connection. And here this wall with opening. In this case is a window. Okay, that's it for my components, which is Putra block. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum.
My name is Shukri bin Wadna. My matrix number 1061. What is a self-repairing concrete? Self-repairing concrete is a new type of concrete. It is automatic healing of body wounds by the secretion of some kind of material. To create a self-repairing concrete, some special materials such as a fiber or capsules which contain some adhesive liquid or dispense into the concrete mix. How self-repairing concrete works. Unlike regular concrete, self-repairing concrete contains bacteria called Bacillus pasteuris along with a form of starch that serves as food in the concrete. Until a crack forms and air gets in, when the silicate bonds to the concrete, it fills the crack and seals it up. Okay, advantage of the self-repairing concrete is it can decay or centuries. This is the biggest advantage of self-healing concrete. Self-repairing concrete decrease concrete maintenance. In normal concrete, you have to seal the crack. Improve in the compressive strength of concrete. Disadvantage of the self-repairing concrete is cost of repairing concrete is double than conventional concrete. Growth of any bacteria is not good in the atmosphere. Another one, there is no code or other code is available. Lastly, skilled labor is not required to do the repairing concrete.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Azwan Nabil. I will talk about glass fiber reinforced gypsum, GFRG. Glass fiber reinforced gypsum, GFRG, consists of high energy resistant glass fiber bonded with excessive density gypsum cement to make panel traditionally complete with plaster casting. GFRG, glass fiber reinforced gypsum, is the most economical foam glass material and is used in architectural applications such as ceiling, column cover, decorative wall panel, and many more. Next is advantage of glass fiber reinforced gypsum. First, it is flame resistant. It makes construction become quicker. It saves resources. They also have earthquake resistant. Next, we will go to fabrication process. This is a manufacturing process of glass fiber reinforced gypsum. Okay, the first step is the manufacture of GFRG panel is done in a semi-automatic plant using the slurry obtained by heating the calcined raw gypsum. Second, the calcined raw gypsum, which is plaster, is mixed with water, white cement, and a certain chemical like D50 retarder, and BS94, which is water repellent, in a mixer. Third step, different layers of slurries are then spread over a table and are interspersed with glass fiber and aluminium plug. It is for creating hollow cavities. Okay, fourth, after half an hour or so, the aluminium plugs are removed and the panels are sent to a dryer. Fifth, after the drying process, the panels are stored at the storage area. Sixth, following client requirement, the panel will get cut at the cutting area and got loaded in the truck. Okay, that's all for glass fiber reinforced gypsum. Next.
Okay, hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nabil bin Muhammad Azri and I'm from DCA3C. My matrix number is 01DKA320F1057. So type of component that I choose is EPS formwork. So what is EPS formwork? So lightweight versatile material comprising of expanded polystyrene for both permanent and temporary formwork application. So ia merupakan polystyrene yang ringan dan dia boleh menjadi pelbagai bentuk. Okay, on this slide we show you guys fabrication process of EPS formwork. So the first thing we need to have the raw material that are size 1mm, which is resin bead that made from petroleum. Next, we need to steam the bead to get expand. After that, the steam is injected into the preformer that have raw material. So for the process maturing, we need to take 1 or 2 days. Okay, after the end of the maturing process that take 1 or 2 days, the matured beads are sent to the molding machine and heat with steam one more time to get the model that we want. Finally, they become finished EPS molded product. So the advantage of EPS formwork is we can save time and money. And also EPS formwork piece can be reused and stored easily on site. And the last advantage is EPS formwork will also not wrap or distort while on the work site, unlike its counterparts. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rifki Syafiq. My matric number is 10DKA20F1070. And I want to present about carbon concrete. Firstly is the meaning of carbon concrete. Carbon concrete is understood to mean a compound of concrete and carbon fibers. There are 3 processes at present. Carbon fibers are added to the concrete. They are distributed widely throughout the entire building component. Grid-like textile made carbon fibers are placed between fine concrete layers. Is advantage. The lowest carbon footprint for a structure or pavement over its life cycle. Unparalleled strength, durability, longevity, and resilience. Maximize energy efficiency via thermal mass. Durability in environment. Building material that don't burn, rust or rot. Safety and security. After that is install process. Firstly, surface preparing. Remove the coating of concrete surface with grinder. Then setting it out. Apply primer. Apply putty or leveling. Fabric cutting. Preparing impregnation adhesive. Apply the carbon fiber fabric. check gap of bubbles.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Wahid. So for the next component of innovative system is EPS panel. EPS panel is expanded polystyrene. So the first thing we want to talk about is fabrication process of EPS panel. EPS panel are made in the factory using two materials such as expandable polystyrene bead and low carbon zinc coated galvanized steel wire. Next, type of panel. So there are three types of the panel. The first one is single panel, second is double panel, and the last one is floor panel. Then for the installation process of EPS panel, the EPS panel is sandwiched between two modes of welded steel wire. You can look at the picture below. After that, the edge of the panel will be plastered using cement to provide a stronger EPS panel. So for the last is advantage of using EPS panel. The first is lightweight. The second is fire resistant when plastered. Third is energy efficiently. Next, faster to install. And the last one is earthquake and storm resistant. So that's all for EPS panel. Thank you.